Hey, happy Tuesday to you. It's Derek Demore with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live, and we're just going over opening bell. You can see we're in a trade. It actually sniffed me, got in right at 60.75, took one off at 65.75, and now we're looking to get out at 68. So, all in all, good spot. Going for 7 points. It sniffed me technically 7 points. Did a couple other markets looking. It also sniffed me on the Russell, and let's see, got stopped out on the NAS. So anyway, just wanted to go over these things and kind of tell you how we did last night too. It was pretty good. So uno momento. Just playing a little ZZ Top in the background for fun. Hey, on the dailies we talked about yesterday, there we go. Finally made our points for sure. Okay, so long-term trend, we had this upper limit that we kicked above, went up above, kind of retested it one more time. I put my two fills. We are now at all-time high up here at 74.50. And it looks like we might be going up to the R3 today, potentially. So I think that that's in view. So let's see how it goes. That's where I'm gonna, I think, put my fill. We'll talk about it in 1 second. So the reason that I chose the spot right here is because I think it could turn around and go back down and close kind of at the top of this old high, but I think that what it's going to do is come up to the top of this channel, maybe the R3, and then back down and end up probably in this area. So that's my call for the MES. Just see if the 4-hour gives any indication. Wow, look at this thing zoom now. Kind of thought that's what I was talking about with the group this morning. So let's see what else. So on the M2K, the Russell, it did come down. It didn't stop at my entry, but at least it was a decent prediction. So let's see. So let's go back up probably in this area, or what's it gonna do? All right, this is kind of what I'm thinking. Getting up to the R1 area or touching that, pulling back, maybe with a down channel here, all above the 10 period and all kind of in new all-time highs. So that could be a good call too. So, all in all, 2 for 2. And now the NAS, I actually didn't like this setup because right at 9:30, we had broken this lower low at 573. So I didn't get in. I actually put a limit order down here right at the 200 moving average, and which wasn't bad because then it went up to 77.77. The problem is my entry at 55 doesn't give me 25 points. It had to go to 80, and I wasn't watching, so I technically got stopped out for 10, but it made 23. So it's kind of like if I was watching this, I might have gotten out because that was a good spot right here at this the old bottom, which is where it went. If you can see this wick right here. So I'm going to say I got 23 on that one because that was a really good spot to get in. If I would have picked just a little bit lower, but you don't know that. So 55 up to, let's just call it, 77.50. So that's 23 points. So all in all, good. On the dailies, again, just about hit where it didn't pull back quite as much, but I thought it was going to go up to the peak and then pull back. So today, boy, oh boy, man, we're looking at getting up here to the top of the middle of the channel, or probably ending down near the bottom of the channel right there. So I know I'm splitting the uprights right now, but those are the 2 spots that I see. So, hey, again, Anthony Crudele, we're 5 days away. Looking forward to that. Thanks for being with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live. And hey, we're getting good at these end of day calls. So I hope that this is helping your trading and that you are making positive points for breakfast today. We did really well. So looking forward to more of this in the future, and having you subscribe and like and continue on as we do cryptos and options and other things at Futures Networks Live. Thanks. Talk to you soon.